In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an instrumental in Suno AI, a next-gen AI beat maker that's taking music creation to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a beginner exploring the world of digital music production, Suno AI offers a seamless and creative process that helps you bring your musical ideas to life with just a few clicks. Let's dive into it. To get started, open up your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and type Suno into the search bar. Suno is an innovative platform that's designed to transform the way you create music, using artificial intelligence to assist in generating unique musical compositions. The search results should display the Suno website prominently. Click on the link to access the site. Once you're on the Suno homepage, look for the Create button. Clicking this will take you to the next stage where the magic truly begins. You'll need to provide a prompt to get started with your musical creation. Think of this like setting the scene for your music. For instance, you might type something like techno instrumental, punchy kick, futuristic vibe, 130 BPM. This example outlines the genre, feel, and tempo of the track you're envisioning. Feel free to be as descriptive as you want, as it will help the AI generate music that best matches your concept. Now that you have your prompt prepared, you'll see an option labeled Styles. This is where you can further refine your music by choosing a specific genre or style. Whether you're interested in creating something with a classical touch or leaning towards a modern electronic sound, this step allows you to filter your music to align more closely with your creative goals. After selecting your preferred style, all that's left is to click on the Create button. This action initiates the AI's composition process. The AI will use the information you've provided to generate a unique instrumental track that you can then refine, use as inspiration, or incorporate into your projects. It's that simple. The ability to create music with just a prompt and a few selections showcases the power and potential of AI in the creative industry. Suno AI gives you the freedom to explore various musical styles and experiment with new sounds, all while saving you time and effort. That's a wrap for today. You've just learned how to navigate and use Suno AI to create your own instrumental tracks. Remember, the beauty of this tool lies in its simplicity and flexibility, allowing anyone to produce music effortlessly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative tips and tutorials.